I'm just going to explain to you simply why this is a good buying opportunity. So if you can see here, the market is currently moving sideways. It is not yet moving in an uptrend, but it seems like it is tilting towards the buyer's side, but it is still moving in a range. And we can see here that we have the price just on the support level, which was previously created by the buyers here. That's where they began their previous impulsive move. So we are on a very, very important support level. So now the market is going up. So usually a lot of traders, they'll just execute trades based on price being on the support level, which is important, but it is not complete. So if you can look at this previous wave here, you can see that we had a high here and then we had the next high. So you can see that the market is giving us higher highs. So this high is higher than the previous one, so meaning that in this particular move the buyers were stronger. So when the sellers give us this next move, you can see that they tried pushing down the market, but they couldn't break that previous low there. So it seems like the sellers, they're struggling to give us or to demonstrate signs of strength. And if you can see here, we also had a low which is one of their lowest points, but they still can't reach that level. So it seems like in this case the buyers, they're getting stronger. But the analysis doesn't end there. So if you can go to a smaller time frame, because that's how you should deal with the market, look at the structure in the higher time frame and then go and confirm it with a bigger structure in the lower time frame. So I'll just erase everything and just open a lower time frame so that you can see what is happening there. So here we are on the 30-minute time frame. You can see that the market has been moving in a downtrend. It has been flowing in a downtrend, and now it seems like it is entering in some kind of a reversal, or it is a beginning of a new upward trend. So which means that it is indeed a good opportunity for you to execute a long trade. Why? Because we might just begin a very, very important move. And this reversal here, we can see that that low which we observed on the higher time frame, it is a very, very important level on the lower time frame. It actually began a very huge trend which was going towards the buyer side. So it is likely that the market here is going to go all the way up to that resistance all the way there, but obviously it can reverse before reaching that resistance, but it is still going to go up. And this reversal here, we can see that it is a very, very good reversal because it didn't just happen immediately, but there is a transition in this area here, meaning we can see that the sellers, they are now handing over the market towards the buyer. So it is a good opportunity for you to go long in that range that you observed on the high time frame in this case here. So in these particular scenarios, that's where you will execute your trades with maybe your targets all the way in that area there. So this is how I go about analyzing a range. I just make sure that I do go and observe in the lower time frame if there is something interesting that I can see. And obviously we did observe a transition here, which is a good sign of the sellers handing over the market towards the buyers. And this is not just a low, but in the lower time frame it is actually a reversal of a trend. Same thing applies with that resistance there. It is not just a high, but it is a reversal of an actual trend in the lower time frame. So traders who are trading in the lower time frame, they are not just observing these as lows and highs, but they are observing these as actual trends that they will take advantage of. So you should also treat that the market that way, that okay, let me look at these areas or at these waves as trends and then take advantage of that. So the same thing will happen when you're about to exit this market. You'll observe and transition as it is going down. Once it starts slowing down, it means that okay, it's likely that now it is going to go on the opposite side, because this is a proof of strength declining.